16 Tips How to Sleep Better at Night Naturally. Here are the tips you can follow. 1. Avoid looking at your clock. Do you tend to take a sneak peek at your clock now and then in between sleep? That could be one of the reasons you aren't able to sleep. The habit of clock watching is common in those battling insomnia. It can also trigger anxiety issues related to sleeplessness. 2. Read before bedtime. While we are not so sure about adults, kids can definitely benefit from reading before bedtime, as it was observed to help with the sound sleep. Also, this tip is in favor of those who read from a book rather than on an electronic gadget. 3. Exercise more. Exercising can boost the secretion of serotonin and also decrease the level of the stress hormone, cortisol. However, exercising works best to promote sleep when done in moderation and during daytime. 4. Take sleep-enhancing supplements. You can also take supplements to help enhance your sleep quality. Supplements containing magnesium, melatonin, and gamma-aminobutyric acid are available to help restore your sleep pattern. However, it is highly recommended that you consult your doctor before taking any of these supplements. 5. Limit daytime naps. Daytime naps that last for 2 hours or more can affect your night's sleep. They may also lead to sleep deprivation. Hence, you should opt for a quick nap that lasts no more than 30 minutes. 6. Keep your room cool. The temperature of your body tends to change as you fall asleep. Your core temperature might see a decrease while the temperature of your feet and hands increases. Therefore, if your room is warm, it is a good idea to set your air conditioner to a cooler temperature. Taking a warm bath can also cause your body to become cooler later on, hence promoting better sleep. 7. Expose yourself to sunlight and darkness. The regulatory system or circadian rhythm of your body can be influenced by exposure to light, which may affect your sleep cycle. Irregular exposure to light during the day can make it harder for you to stay awake and also make it difficult to fall asleep. On the other hand, darkness at night promotes sleep as it boosts the secretion of one of the sleep hormones called melatonin. 8. Change your sleeping position. Traditionally, it was believed that sleeping on the back gives you a better quality of sleep, but research suggests otherwise. Sleeping on your back can cause your airways to become blocked, sleep apnea, and also episodes of snoring, which may lead to poor quality of sleep. Sleeping on the side is associated with improved and high-quality sleep. 9. Meditate and practice yoga. Meditating and practicing yoga can help alleviate symptoms of stress and enable you to sleep better. Yoga helps you relax and reduces the tension accumulated in your body, thereby helping you get a sound sleep. Meditation helps in enhancing melatonin, sleep hormone, levels, thereby assisting your brain in achieving a state in which sleep can be easily attained. 10. Try out aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is quite useful for sleep-related problems. The aroma of essential oils of lavender and damask rose has sleep-promoting activities. All you have to do is diffuse any of these essential oils in your room before bedtime for a sound sleep. Aromatherapy also helps reduce stress and anxiety, which allows your body to relax. 11. Listen to soothing music. Music can always set the mood right, and this is no exception when it comes to your sleep pattern. Listening to relaxing music before bedtime not only improves your quality of sleep but also helps battle sleep disorders like insomnia. 12. Keep a check on your nighttime diet. What you eat can also have a significant effect on your sleep. A high-carb diet may prove to be detrimental to your sleep, whereas a high-fat diet can promote deeper sleep. Hence, avoid binging on high-carb foods close to your bedtime. 13. Turn off all electronic gadgets. Switching off all electronic gadgets before bedtime can also do wonders for your sleep. Whether it is your laptop, cell phone, notebook, or laptop, keep them all away when it's time for bed. This is because the blue light emitted by these devices can interrupt your sleep pattern. 14. Limit your caffeine intake. Caffeine-containing beverages are consumed widely worldwide. They are often used to stimulate alertness and fight fatigue, especially when you are sleep-deprived. However, regular intake of caffeine can prove to be disastrous for your sleep pattern. Instead, opt for a soothing herbal drink like chamomile tea for a good night's sleep. 15. Set a sleep schedule. The circadian rhythm is the regulatory system of your body. It acts like an internal clock that cues your body to stay awake during the day and sleep at night. If you start waking up and going to bed at the same time daily, it will help your body adjust to the schedule. This will make it easier for you to fall asleep and wake up at the same time every day. 16. Try and stay awake. Just like forcing yourself to sleep might have the opposite effect and results in sleeplessness, putting all your focus and staying awake may actually help you sleep faster. This technique is known as paradoxical intention, and all it requires is for you to stay awake rather than trying to sleep. Thank you for watching. Please check out the link in below the video to learn more how to sleep better. See you in the next video.